Hello, I'm on Play Store now, and I'll try to install the Facebook Manager, Page Manager, and we'll try to log in. So let's type Facebook Page Manager. So I just clicked on that, and I'll click on installed. It will take some time, so just wait for a few minutes. Okay, so the installation is completed now and ready for use. I'm going to click on open. Now, as I have already installed the main Facebook application, Android applications on my mobile device. So now it is suggested me that I can use the same profile to log in the app, Facebook Page Manager, which is correct. So if I click on that, and it says that something application does not have permissions for the actions, right? So this is because of the two-way factor you probably had turned on. So how do you can log in at these circumstances? I mean, the trick is you do not need to click on the suggested profile. You should go for not you, and you should use your email ID and or username and password separately. So I'm going to use that. So this is my email ID, and I'm going to use the password I had used to create my account. So now if I click log in, so now it is asking for the two-way verification code. So I'll have to wait for a minute I think. Because I should be receiving the code. Okay, here is the code. It's 244723. So it's 244723. It should be logged in now. Yes. So it is logged in, and you'll be able to view all the pages, and you can manage your pages differently out of the main Facebook page application. So here you can see all the pages. So this is all. Thank you.